Um, thank God it is another beautiful day, guys. Um, Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 common money mistakes that could be holding you back from building wealth, and as well, I'm going to show you exactly uh, how to fix them. If you're ready to take control uh, of your own financial future, guys, keep watching. Before I get a dive into, let me first introduce myself, guys. For those people who they don't know me, I go by the name of Raymond. I'm a father, I'm an entrepreneur, and I'm working full time online, guys. So let's get a dive into and to see what we have in our video, guys. The topic of this video, or the theme, it is, we are going to see the 5 common money mistakes that are keeping you broke, guys. um in this video we are going as well to see how to fix them. So guys, let's go and start seeing our first common mistakes. Number one, guys, living above your means, guys. This could be hinder you from achieving your financial freedom, guys. First up, one of the biggest mistake people make is living above their means. What do I mean by that? This means you are spending more money than you are making. It is easy to get a catch up in buying things we don't really need into our life, but doing this will keep you broke in the long run, guys. So you gotta need to as well know how you can fix this problem, guys, because this is the one of the biggest problem into individual life, especially when it is just it takes for money and finances. How people they just kind of like fail to change their financial circumstance because of this problem, guys. How would you be able to go and fix it? um to fix this problem, guys, starting by setting a budget, tracking all your expenses, and see where your money is going. um this could be bigger problem as well to so many, because a lot of people they kind of like I don't know where their money is going. So for you to first thing first, you gotta need to realize where your money is going, guys. You can as well cut back on things that are not essential into your life. And this thing, it can be like eating out, or spending much of your money buying unnecessary stuff, or just enroll yourself to unnecessary subscription like a cable program, or other people they kind of like register themselves into the different app where they kind of like pay a monthly subscription. So carry it all, you know. These are the things which are not essential into your life when it's come to your financial well-being. Also, try to stop using credit cards for things you cannot afford. A lot of people they kind of like using their credit card, you know, to just buy stuff that are there they cannot afford. Instead they just make them self enter into debt that they cannot even be essential into their life. At the end of the day, they can handle them when it's come to grow their wealth as well as their financial well-being. So make sure that you stop using credit card to the thing that you cannot afford, and spending less than you are earning, guys. It is that simple. uh, to For you to live a life of your own terms and control your financial well-being, you gotta need to follow this rule, guys, because this rule they can help you to attain living a life of freedom when it's come to living a freedom lifestyle, and being able to manage your money and finance, guys. So you gotta isolate yourself, put yourself away from this habit, guys, because if you continue with it, you will struggle for the rest of your life. So let's go into dive into another common mistake that a lot of people they do have. But before we go and see the second common mistake, let's see how some can be able to fix all this problem, guys. So you gotta need continual learning, guys, because information, it is powerful. For you to understand how you could be able to invest, saving, you gotta devote your time to learn and educate yourself how it is important to save into your life, and how it is important as well to invest, as well as how it is important to educate yourself for you to master and know how money works, guys. So that is mistake number one, guys. Let's go to see mistake number two. A lot of people, they're kind of like ignoring saving and as well as putting emergency funding. So these people, they kind of like fail themselves, and many of these people, they just make this mistake because of not saving and putting the money as an emergency, because life, guys, happens, and unexpected as well cost can throw you off track. So you have to understand that yes, life can happen, but as well unexpected cost can throw you off track. So whether it is a car breakdown, or medical bills, or losing your job, you have to prepare yourself. Make sure that you are putting the money as emergency, and as well you've been able to save. So how would you be able, especially for those people who they are ignoring saving and putting money for emergency, guys? You gonna need to start building an emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Make sure that you save up. You don't have to save it all at once, like so many people think of it. Just start small and build up. Even if it is just a few dollars a week, make it habit, and you will have a financial buffer when life throw you a curveball, guys. This is a very essential for especially for those people who they kind of like just wanna control their life, guys. So let's go see mistake number three, guys. For those who are not investing early enough, right? A lot of people wait too long to start investing, and they think like I don't have enough money to invest at this time, and they have expenses which are an essential into their life, guys. But the truth is, the earlier you start, the better. Time is your friend when it comes to grow your money, guys. I can repeating onto this, guys. Time, it is your friend when it's come to grow your money, and the opposite, time is not your friend when you don't grow your money, guys. So how would you be able to fix mistake number 3 for not investing early enough? Here's a trick, guys. You gotta need to start investing today, not it tomorrow. Starting today. Put it down, write it on your diary, and decided to starting today. Even if it is just a small amount, whether it is $10 or $100, guys, every bit counts. The earlier you start, the more your money will grow over time. That is a secret, guys. The more your money will grow over time. So the game plan here, it is to start early, guys, right? Start early, and start bit by bit. You can start with $10 to $100. Every bit counts. The earlier you start, the more your money will grow for you, guys. Also, you gotta need to thanks to compound interest, guys. Compound interest, guys, for those people who they don't know, it is the wonder of the world, guys, when it comes to money and finance, especially for those people who they just want to grow their wealth, right? uh, that is how to fix the mistake number 3, guys. Let's go and dive into see mistake number 4. A lot of people, I know a lot of people, they're just falling into this trap. uh, Mistake number 4, it is center or based on falling to for get rich quick scheme. Everyone out there, guys, wanted to get rich quick, but falling for those get rich quick scheme, it is a huge mistake. For those people who they don't know, guys, it is hurting the most if you just fall into this trap. This promise always or usually lead to a scam. You know, a lot of people, they end up get a scam because of falling into this trap. You will end up losing your hard-earned money, guys. So this is a time for you to be able to avoid mistake like this, guys. So how would you be able to fix it? Focus on building wealth slowly. This means saving, investing wisely, and finding legitimate ways to increase your income, like a side hustle or creating multiple stream of income. Uh, Little wealth take time, guys, to build. There are no shortcut when it's come to building real wealth. So make sure that you learn the necessary skills, knowledge, and as well you gotta need to equip yourself with the uh, information that is necessary in order for you to be able to grow your wealth, guys. There is no such a thing like overnight when it's come to building wealth, guys. We have seen, guys, mistake number 4. Let's go diving into see mistake number 5. Here, this is will be our last mistake, guys, into this video. Mistake number 5, not educating yourself about money. That is the biggest mistake of all, guys, right? The last mistake, it is not taking time to learning, guys, about money. If you don't understanding how money works, you cannot make a smart financial decision with it, guys. So it is very is essential, and it is very smart decision if you kind of like are starting prepare yourself, prepare your financial well-being by just educating yourself, guys. For those people who kind of like fall into this mistake of not educating themselves about money, here is how you will be able to fix it. um Today, starting educating yourself about personal finance. There are so many free resources out there, so many books. There is a lot of YouTube video talking about money and finance. You just need to go out there and search for this material, all these audio guys, and starting educating yourself. There is also a ton of podcasts out there to YouTube, guys, or a podcast platform where you can be able as well to go and educate yourself. If you just decided today to educate yourself, that can help you understanding how money works, guys. The more you learn, the better you will get managing, right? um, the better you'll be getting managing your money, as well as making it grow for you, as well for your next generation, guys. So guys, to wrap up, I hope you learn a lot. So there you are, guys. You have it. You can just repeating this material or this education whenever that you get a time, rewatch it for you that are to educate yourself. But make sure, guys, you create a habit and avoid these 5 money mistakes that are keeping you blocked, and how you can be able to fix it. The only thing that can help you to fix it, it is for you to decide educating yourself. You can start by saving, investing, and learning more about money, guys. Take the right action today, and you will start seeing the results. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who need to hear this, and